Welcome back. It's time now for the Business Day. The Jamaica Environmental Trust is urging the government to reconsider its approach to oil and gas exploration. Chief Executive Officer of JET, Dr. Theresa Rodriguez Moody, argues that while there is a suggestion that finding oil could somehow give the country a break, expanding fossil fuels will only deepen the crisis.
Caused billions in damage and disrupted lives across the island. So it is deeply concerning that even as Jamaicans are living through the impacts of a warming climate, there is a suggestion that finding oil would somehow give the country a break, in quotation. Expanding fossil fuels will only deepen the crisis that we are already facing.
Caution comes as Jamaica observes Earth Day under the theme Our Power, Our Planet. Dr. Rodriguez Moody is calling for a shift towards renewable energy and sustainable solutions that align with the country's climate vulnerability and long-term interests.
At a crossroads, and Jamaica can either continue down the path of fossil fuel expansion, adding to the climate crisis that is already costing us billions of dollars, or we can choose to invest in renewable energy and build a more resilient future.
Her comments comes days after Energy Minister Darrell Vaz told the country that a recent geochemical survey conducted by independent oil company United Oil and Gas confirmed the presence of hydrocarbons in offshore soil samples. Mr. Vaz described the results as very positive, noting that the findings have already begun attracting interests. Caribbean Cement Company is reporting that ongoing heavy rainfall has disrupted its operations, affecting production levels. The company says the weather conditions have impacted raw materials and caused some equipment and process challenges. It adds that while efforts are underway to restore normal operations, delays are still being experienced due to increased demand and continued bad weather. Caribbean Cement says its teams worked over the weekend to stabilize affected equipment and improve operating conditions. The company notes that additional measures are being implemented to resolve the remaining issues and strengthen overall supply reliability. It's assuring stakeholders that the matter is being treated as a top priority and has reaffirmed its commitment to meeting the needs of the local market while maintaining high service standards. The JSE Index advanced by 1,400 points today, while the Junior Market Index advanced by 23 points. The winners were led by Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Access Financial Services, Lasco Manufacturing, Jamaica Public Service Company Limited 7%, and Cygnus Real Estate US dollar share. The losers were led by Epley Caribbean Property Fund, Mailpack Group, Image Plus Consultants, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, and Caribbean Assurance Brokers, 17 stocks traded firm. There are mixed changes to fuel prices effective tomorrow. Each liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will be increased by $4.50. However, automotive diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will decline by 25 cents. Kerosene will see its price falling by 25 cents. The cost of propane will go up by $1.20, while butane will be increased by $1. Each petrol station will make these adjustments to their prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the American dollar for an average $158.74. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.87. The pound is going for $216.89, while the euro is selling for an average $187.37. And that's the Business Day news from overseas after the break.